What does LMAO mean?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of internet slang and abbreviations. One such term that's commonly used in text messages, social media posts, and online chats is LMAO. If you've ever found yourself wondering what it stands for, you're in the right place.
What does LMAO stand for?
LMAO is an acronym that stands for Laughing My Ass Off. It's used to express extreme amusement or laughter in response to something funny or hilarious. This abbreviation emerged with the advent of digital communication and has become a staple in informal online and text-based conversations.
When and how to use LMAO?
Since LMAO is a casual expression, it's most suitable for informal situations. It can be used in text messages with friends, social media comments, or casual chats. It's not typically used in formal or professional settings, so it's best to avoid it in emails or professional correspondence. Here's an example of how you might use it. If a friend sends you a hilarious meme, you might reply with a simple LMAO to indicate you found it really funny.
Are there any variations of LMAO?
Yes, there are several variations of LMAO that intensify or modify the expression of laughter. Some common ones include LMFAO. This stands for laughing my freaking ass off, or a less polite version, laughing my F-ass off. This is used to express an even greater degree of amusement. ROFLMAO**. This stands for rolling on the floor laughing my ass off. This term is used when something is extraordinarily hilarious. Remember, these are also informal expressions and should be used accordingly. And that wraps up our explanation of LMAO. Now the next time you see this acronym online, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Keep in mind its informal nature and use it appropriately. Hopefully, you found this video helpful and learned something new about digital communication slang. Until next time, keep laughing and stay connected.